class of 2021. A big congratulations on your outstanding achievements despite being an unprecedented year. Today, the morning of 26th annual valedictory function of Navrachna School Sama, like every year, amalgamates the pain of separation and the excitement of an uncertain future. The panorama of emotions that marks this day displays the irony we have been holding on to for our entire life, wanting to experience the life ahead, but not wanting to emerge out of the safe cocoon of this world. But life will take its course. So it's time for yet another set of Navrachnites to discover the world beyond. Over to Jana.
The morning unfolds with an eminent academic procession. Leading the procession is our chief guest, Dr. Nilay Rao. Our chairperson, Ms. Tejal Amin. Principal, Ms. Kashmira Jaiswal. Vice Principal, Ms. Kashmira Jaiswal. And the coordinators. Following closely behind are the torch bearers of the school. President Virat Shah, Head Boy Khushi Purohit, and Head Boy Aryan Desai, leading the school council. Following them are the students of the outgoing batch of 2020-21.
my proud privilege to introduce our chief guest, Dr. Nilay Yagnik, an alumnus of the Harvard Business School. He is currently the provost of the Navrachna University. Dr. Yagnik has done his communication engineering from BITS Pilani, MMS from the Narsee Monjee Institute of Management Studies, Mumbai, and PhD from the University of Mumbai. With a vast experience of over 13 years in the IT industry, with companies such as Wipro, Infotech, Digital HP, and Mastek. Sir also has around 27 years of teaching experience. He has mentored technology startups and serves on the advisory boards of several organizations. With several years of academic leadership experience, including the position of Dean and Director of leading institutes in Mumbai. He was also the Professor and Chairman of the Information Systems area at the Narsee Monjee Institute of Management Studies, Mumbai. Besides, he is a published author and has several publications to his credit at the national and the international level. It is indeed a pleasure to have such a versatile and dynamic personality amongst us today. We welcome you, sir. We are also privileged to welcome Executive Chairperson Ms. Tejal Amin and Trustee NES Ms. Sandhya Gachar. A warm welcome to our PTA executive members and members of our alumni association next up.
Believe and you shall find that within you shines the light of 1,000 suns. Light is the universal symbol of truth, knowledge, understanding, and a harbinger of good tidings. Following tradition, we invoke the blessings of the Almighty by lighting the auspicious lamp. Today, the lamp signifies the unbent and unbroken will of fire of each of our students, the legacy of this institution. May I request our principal, Ms. Suprabha Menon, to escort our chief guest, Dr. Nilay Yagnik, and our chairperson, Ms. Tejal Amin. May we also invite Ms. Sandhya Gachar and PTA President Ms. Sonali Desai to join us in the lighting of the auspicious lamp. Thank you, everyone. I now request our principal, Ms. Suprabha Menon, to address the gathering.
A very good morning, Dr. Yagnik, Tejal ma'am, invited guests, teachers, and my dear students. It is indeed a special day today as we bid adieu to yet another batch of talented, wonderful students. Dear students, your journey in school comes to an end and a new journey begins. One which I hope will be filled with adventure as you realize your potential and fulfill your dreams. The prevailing pandemic kept you away from the school in your final year and deprived you of the pleasure of cherishing this extremely important yet exciting school year. On the other hand, This fact alone sets you apart from all the classes that have graduated from this school. The theme of this year's valedictory reflects the challenges that your batch uniquely faced. You were called upon to exercise Sanyam, and your Sankalp and Sahas has taken you through to an amazing culmination of your academic journey in school. I am so proud of each of you that you managed to sail through the toughest storm and emerged stronger. The way you all exercise being optimistic and focused makes me so proud and certain that each of you will deal with any challenge that life throws at you with confidence. Today, I am honored to say we are proud of your many achievements over the years, your various accomplishments in all curricular and extracurricular activities. This batch will go down in this institution's history for several reasons. Despite being away from school in your final year, you are leaving behind an indelible mark. Yesterday, we received the board results. Stupendous performance as always. So we have while each one of you have performed brilliantly, we have Anupsa Swain topping with 98.6% marks. In the science stream, we have Anupsa, Suhani and Atuli Sundaram at the top 3 positions in that order. And the humanities stream, we have Khushi Purohit, Mancha Shah, Anjali Singh and Kaish Agarwal at the lead. In the commerce stream, we have Virat Shah, Aparva Kamdar and Aryan Desai in the top 3 positions. 84 students have scored in the range of 90 to 100 and 103 students have scored in the range of 80 to 90. And the remaining students are in the range of 70 to 80. So proud of your achievement. And every day we are receiving news of you making to one prestigious institution or another in this country and abroad. And the icing on the cake, Khushi Purohit acing the NID entrance program at the national level. With this, she has put Navrachna and Vadodara on the national map. So proud. The results of other prestigious institutions' entrance exams are awaited, and I'm very confident that we have more reasons to celebrate. So we will look forward to that. It's time for you to move on now. From here on, you will have many academic and life decisions to make on your own. May you be guided by the values instilled in you by your parents and by your school while doing so. I want you to remember that you are among the privileged ones, and this fact comes with certain responsibilities. The responsibility to care about the life of people less fortunate than you, the responsibility to care for your environment, your society. Be kind and good to people you meet on your way up. Think big thoughts and be optimistic in whatever you do. Earn your rightful place as global citizens. Also, take care of your parents, for they have devoted the best years of your life, caring for you. Look ahead. You may not like a lot of what you see, but you are going to be called upon to help make this earth a better place to live in. Be prepared to give it your best shot. I sincerely thank you for the love, respect, support and care that we, your teachers, have received from you. My wish for each of you is that whatever you have learned from here takes you to the world of limitless possibilities. May your dreams and the dreams of your parents come true. Here I concur with Eleanor Roosevelt. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Children, today we are missing a very important part of our team here, the parents. Due to the COVID restrictions, unlike previous years, we have not been able to invite them here. However, through you, dear children, I would like to thank your parents for their unique contribution in shaping you and giving you a strong sense of purpose. Their commitments and schedules may not have allowed them to visit the school very often, but be sure that we have felt their presence with us at every turn, holding your hands and supporting us in our endeavor to build a strong foundation for you, our children. They will forever be a part of Navrachna, as will you be. May God bless you abundantly. We wish you all the very best.
Thank you, ma'am. Your heartfelt words will go a long way in guiding and motivating the students. Ladies and gentlemen, we now present before you R.J. Sheljan Nair, the class teacher of 12D, launching her radio show. So tune in to hear about the fantastic journey of her dynamic and vibrant class.
आज की डेट को क्या आने वाला था? रिजल्ट तो नहीं था। अबे हॉरर थोड़ी बोला मैं। आज एक रेडियो चैनल पे रेडियो शो आने वाला था, लवकॉम 202.1। ऐसा तो क्या है इसमें? एक रियलिटी शो, रॉन्डेवू फॉर ऑलराउंडर्स, एक क्विज शो, उभरते सितारे, लूडो, ट्रेजर हंट, मास्टर शेफ विद अ ट्विस्ट, ये सब आने वाले लवकॉम 202.1 पे। ये क्या कर रहा है? आ गया लाइन पे?
क्या आ गया लाइन पे? मैं तो कब से कह रहा हूँ आप 202.1 सुनते हैं।
देखा आपने? ये तो अब उस चैनल पे ट्यून इन कर ही रहा है। आप भी जाइए ये सब देखने के लिए, सिर्फ लवकॉम 202.1।
Good morning, Navrachna. केम छो वडोदरा, आवाज की दुनिया के दोस्तों. This is your RJ Shailaja. Welcome to the first of its kind radio show, Navcom FM 202.1. Celebrities are stars that twinkle in the sky, far away and unreachable, but they do touch our lives in many little ways. We wish to see them, know them and understand them. These programs in the show act as a bridge between the celebrities and their fans. So my dear listeners, get ready to know your idols better and feel free to ask them questions. Phone lines are open at 2021, 2021, 2021. The first in the list is Rendezvous. Time management skills come naturally to them as they bring about a good balance between academics and co-curricular. They are the people with whom you can interact about anything under the sun. President of the school council and the social cause champion Veeraj is a strong and convincing debater and is a mama. Adding another feather to his crown, it is going to represent India in the Economics Olympiad to be held in Latvia. Head boy and financial geek Aryan is a go-to person for any solution. He is an avid actor who has performed in many plays from classics to modern age dramas and was awarded the fittest man during the sports day in the event CrossFit. CBSE student coordinator, dramatist and financial expert Kritik was an octave finalist in the Think Of debate and has secured the rank of 39 in International Economics Olympiad. Concert हो या investment का competition या बस हो पानी पूरी का जश्न, अपने आगे का है कुछ और ही कश्न. SGFI second ranker of state, academically brilliant Kapurka, has a plethora of achievements in his kitty and he has increased his rating from 135 to 170. Voracious reader, persuasive debater, excellent rebuttal skills. Priya has won many inter-school competitions like Comfort. Head community outreach, intellectually dazzling Nancy has participated in RISE 2019, RISE 2020 and the Voice of the Youth. Special Dhyan. Sometimes as in online classes, we have here too guest appearances. अगली पेशकश है सीधी बात, no बकवास.
एक रियलिटी शो जिसके पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं वेद, संस्कार, हुसैन अली, ओम एंड अर्जुन। ये करते हैं सीधी बात नो बकवास, इसलिए बच्चे हैं सबके लिए खास। जितनी शिद्दत से चाहता है अर्जुन फुटबॉल खेलना, उतनी ही मोहब्बत से देखता है कॉन्फिडेंट एंड बोल्ड ओम खाना अपना। और उतनी ही अहमियत से समझाता है हुसैन अली टेक्नोलॉजी का जमाना। Ved's eyes twinkle with enthusiasm when automobiles are the topic of discussion. An automotive designer of the future, cars are his undying passion. वैसे क्या ये जरूरी है कि हर सीधी बात सिंपल, स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड, सरल, सुशील और संस्कार ही हो? Point him and he's a defender. Inspire him and he's the center forward. On popular demand हम लेकर आए हैं एक प्रोग्राम। पहचान कौन? A unique quiz show. घर बैठिए जीते इनाम, पहचानिए अपने फेवरेट स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन का नाम। Do guess. PT Usha of the class, who in sprinting nobody can surpass. Always has the finishing line in mind. A sports captain, one of her kind. Nidhi. A master chef to the core, a footballer at heart. Give her any of this role. With excellence she plays her part. Komal. Abroad जाना है इनका ड्रीम, फुटबॉल टीम के हैं ये क्रेम de la cream. आरव. राजस्थानी छोरा है ये, खेलता बास्केटबॉल कमाल है ये। बोलो कौन है ये? उत्कर्ष। Popularly known as Bucky, in football he is not a rookie. Can you identify our own happy-go-lucky Aryan? A twinkle in his eyes, football ground is his shrine. With mischief, his eyes always shine. ये है अपना देसी रोनाल्डो, ऑस्ट्रेलिया। These are my students who in sports nobody can surpass. For the first time in India, we are launching the game Ludo in a radio show. The players are Neelam, Priyanka, Dakshita and Anjali. चाहे अलग-अलग हो इनके अंदाज, दोस्ती है इनकी बहुत खास। They symbolize unity in diversity, in the true spirit. A wide range of traits they have to their merit. Spell Bee champ Anjali represents the color yellow, the color of brightness and cheer. For fresh and green Dakshita, songs and poetry are very clear. The clear blue sky is Priyanka, a kabaddi and basketball player. The passionate red is Neelam and plans to be a civil service officer. Coming up next. Master Chef with a twist. A plate full of mischievous ideas have they. Cooking up fresh pranks is their forte. Ingredients होते हैं इनके लाजवाब, मस्ती का मसाला, मीम्स का तड़का, गाना बजाना in between the class. Krushalu keyboard and tennis. सुरीली मार्गीना clicks. खुशी नी नित भाषा थी, खाई जाए बदू फिक्स। नए नए मीम्स की गुगली डाल के करता है ये कहान टीम कोड। माहिम के जो never get old. निमाए बस नाम ही काफी है। इन्वेस्टमेंट गीत है ये जनाब, बातें हैं इनकी अतरंगी लाजवाब। Arsh loves to play football and Pranshul volleyball. If riding horses are Pranshul's passion, Arsh's hair is his passion. वो दिख रहा स्कूल के हर दिशा में बस, ओमनीपोटेंट है अपना भगवान। But jokes apart, he was the pulse of the class. अब हम लाए हैं ऐसा प्रोग्राम, उभरते सितारे हैं जिसका नाम अपने फील्ड में करते हैं ये स्पेशल काम, खास है ये, समझो ना इन्हें आप। If you hear a commanding voice leading the NCC contingent, be rest assured it's Madhuram, who holds a sergeant rank in NCC. Clarity of vision, mentoring the team for various financial related competitions come naturally to Karan. He has represented India in the International Youth Program in France. Newbie Shreya is creative, ambitious, goal-driven. This swimming and cyber Olympiad champ has found her calling in fashion industry. Divyanjali, widely known as Agent R, and a lawyer in the making, is a district level swimming champion and lead finalist. Ananya Olak is a beautiful combination of literature and culinary skills, rolled into one, and loves to write haiku poems. Never give up is the mantra, followed by Kahan to the core. Interested in his family business, plans to carry that forward. मेरे करण अर्जुन आएंगे, सब इनकी दोस्ती के गुण गाएंगे, आरव से फोटो खिंचवाएंगे और वेदांत से ट्रैवलॉग बनाएंगे। मेरे करण अर्जुन आएंगे। Ace photographer Arav and travel buff Vedant can stun people with their clicks and capture. Introducing most sought after event, the treasure hunt, सात देवियों के संग। The finalists of the show are Kesha, Bhaumi, Riya, Hemal, Ananya, Himakshi, Zalak, and their strategies are
चले हो चले जाने कहाँ और चले जहाँ भी चले।
वैसे पता है कहाँ कहाँ चले?
कभी कॉरिडोर, कभी बास्केटबॉल, कभी आईटी लैब, कभी डाइनिंग हॉल।
नहीं तो स्टेयर्स पे ही बैठ गए। Hard work and dedication comes naturally to head student counselor Himakshi, who is 6th year Kathak student and has represented the school in the Climate Action Project and now Prize. Empathizing with society comes naturally to Dhoni, a mental health warrior. Green badge holder Hemal is a champion for nature's cause. Kesha's approach to life earned her rave reviews when she presented a speech in FOMO in TED Talk. Chulbuli Ananya's art is from the heart. ढेर सारा प्यार when ace badminton player Zalak plays guitar. किसी का नहीं chance in front of academically brilliant Riya. These three girls of mine are all set to rule the world. What a year! What a year it was! Taking all challenges in stride, from keeping quiet in real class to unmuting online. Offline. From hanging out with friends to hanging video calls. From school क्यों जाएं हम? School चले हम. This is the batch which will be etched as one which has won over all odds, all modes and all moods. अभी तो बाज की उड़ान बाकी है, अभी तो परिंदे का इम्तिहान बाकी है, अभी तो पार किया है सिर्फ समुद्रों को, अभी तो पूरा आसमान बाकी है। ये शब्द मेरे हैं, दुआएं उनकी, आवाज मेरी है, भावनाएं उनकी। उड़ान हम दे रहे हैं, पर कभी उंगली थामी थी इनकी। बेस्ट विशेस फॉर योर ब्राइट फ्यूचर, यही आशीष है बचपन से अब तक के हर टीचर की। बेस्ट विशेस, साइनिंग ऑफ, आरजे शैलजा।
Ma'am, what an incredible array of formidable talent. The brightest faces of this institution who are going to make us proud someday. Time has blossomed, and the gamut of emotions that holds us today asks us to reminisce all those moments which will become unforgettable as we move ahead in our lives. I would now like to invite the President Student Council, Virat Shah, to share his thoughts and memories from his journey.
A very good morning to one and all gathered here. It truly will be very hard to follow up on a performance like Shelja ma'am's, but I'll try my best. Goodbyes make you think. They make you realize what you had, what you lost, and what you have taken for granted. We may have waited 4 extra months for this, but nevertheless, I still feel that it is too early for our Navratna dream to end. That none of us is ready to move thousands of kilometers away from the friends whom we have known for an eternity. And that all these final formalities are just a phase, and that tomorrow we will be back on campus wearing the Navratna logo on our chest. Yet sadly, this is the last time we'll ever be wearing these uniforms. That is exactly why the task of delivering this speech becomes near impossible. I have to recount our batch's memories through the years. Memories so vast in nature that they can't be recounted in minutes. So then, what should I talk about? Should I talk about the fun we had organizing events like Farewell, where we worked, danced and acted together as a batch, sneaking out of our classes for a whole month and delivered a hell of a show by the end of it? Or should I mention the times we got scolded by Nigma ma'am for being late to lunch, which was almost every day, but still got our appetite fulfilled by the tasty chole puri of the dining hall. While reminiscing, we can't miss out on our outstation trips, the havoc we wreaked at Imagica, the fun we had sneaking out at night in Kutch, and the entertaining stuff we did in Mussoorie. On second thought, we may have been too harsh on our teachers for subjecting them to all that mischievousness. Speaking of teachers, it is said that some things in life are valued only after we have lost them, and that is especially true of the time we have spent with our teachers. We will really miss their helping hand from now on. I personally want to thank all my commerce teachers for being there for us each step of the way and forging a personal bond with each one of us. Commerce truly rocks. It is also my pleasure to thank the whole Navratna management and office staff who have provided us with a seamless schooling experience. Additionally, what made our journey even more special was the house spirit we all shared. I'm always going to cherish the moments I spent as part of the Emerald cricket team, especially when we got to defeat the Ruby cricket team over the years. The glory of our sports day and the intensity of the INC drama competitions are the sensational experiences that will always remain memorable for me. Finally, I can't end this trip down the memory lane without mentioning my fellow council members. I'll always remember the stay-backs we did and the innovative methods we applied to get things approved by our teachers. In spite of our many differences, we always managed to power through as a group. It truly has been an honor to be a part of such a passionate group of people. It is extremely hard to choose the perfect words to end this speech. So I'll just say this. We may not be able to loiter through the green painted school corridors of school again. We may not be able to pluck mangoes from the tree in the quadrangle again. We may no longer be able to play game or football in the recess or gossip with our friends in our air-conditioned classrooms. But what we will always have are the cherished memories of doing all those things at this place that we call home. Let life happen to all of us. Thank you.
Thank you, Viraj. Your words and the emotions they carry have surely moved us all.
Coming up next, to spread the magic of the silver screen and to unveil the blockbusters of 2020-21 is the vivacious class teacher, Ms. Sharmishtha Paul.
साल 2020 दिन था 25 मार्च का, जब लगा हम सबको बहुत बड़ा झटका। और उसी दिन से घर में हर इंसान को अटका, ना स्कूल जाना, ना ऑफिस जाना, ना बाहर खेलने निकलना, and everyone went on a self-help mode. As for my students, the situation at home was like, घर में जब भी कोई बर्तन देखे तो मेरी मम्मी बोले मुझे धोले 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 धोले. And juggling between household chores and attending online classes, the only source of relief for my students was binge watching series on online streaming platforms like Amazon, Netflix, Hotstar, Sony Live, Voot, and the list goes on and on. Keeping in mind the large number of viewers and the increasing demand for fresh and original content, my production house Movie Nights with Sharmishta has decided to launch multiple films with an amazing cast from class 12B. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, praise yourself, for here I am to announce the upcoming movies from my franchise.
Lights, camera, action!
देवियों और सज्जनों, हम आपको बताए रहे हैं कि अब जो महापुरुष पधारने वाले हैं वो हमारे क्लास की शान है. अरे वो वही है जिसके माइंड को ऐसा ट्रेन किया है कि रात भर गेमिंग कर सके और सुबह क्लास शुरू होते ही एग्जैक्टली 40 मिनट का पावर नैप ले सके. So please give it up for the genius of my class, Shivan Thakkar, who is the star of the upcoming movie Dallas Maverick Breaks the Internet, releasing on the National Technology Day. चाहे बात खुद की वेबसाइट्स डिजाइन करने की हो या कॉन्सर्ट्स में कर्ण का रूप धारण कर स्टेज पर छा जाने की, ये जनाब ने अपना किरदार हर जगह बखूबी निभाया है. और इनको देखकर सभी के मुंह से एक ही बात निकलती है, लाल फूल नीला फूल शिवांग कक्कर इज सुपर कूल. The quieter you become, the more you are able to hear. Keeping this in mind, my production house has collaborated with Netflix to launch a mini-series titled Silence Amplified, releasing in cinemas near you in spring of 2022, with the star cast of Harsh, Aman, Shawnee and Gauri. ये लफ्ज़ों का इस्तेमाल हिफाजत से करते हैं और खामोशी से अपना खेल खेल जाते हैं. So guys, don't underestimate the power of this team, क्योंकि जो ये बोलते हैं वो ये करते हैं और जो नहीं बोलते वो डेफिनेटली करते हैं. जब पढ़ाई से सब हो जाते हैं बेहाल, तो ओटला में हमारी ये मोहतरमा कर देती है कमाल. हाथों में कॉफी, लफ्जों में सुर और ताल, ओटला में दोस्तों के लिए मस्ती की बन जाती है ये मिसाल. सबसे हटके है मेरी क्लास की ये सर्वगुण संपन्न लड़की, और जब बात गरबा की हो तो ये धूम मचा देती है इन द ग्राउंड नवला की. प्लीज गिव इट अप फॉर आवर सिंगिंग सेंसेशन आफिया नवाज, who will be launching her music album titled Music, Masti and Magic, to be released on World Music Day 2022. Wishing her all the best for her upcoming album. Impressed with the platinum standard of my divas, my production house in association with Meryl Streep is launching The Angel Wears Armani, releasing on 21st August 2021 to celebrate World Fashion Day, with Hetvi, Ritya and Jia playing the lead roles. जब फैशन बन जाए इनके लिए पैशन, तो साइकोलॉजी लेक्चर की कॉम्प्रिहेंशन बन जाए टेंशन. शर्मिष्ठा मैम क्या बोलेंगे हमें भुला के ये एप्रीहेंशन, फैशन स्टडीज लैब में नजर आते हैं ये मुझे इन फुल अटेंशन. डोंट वरी गर्ल्स, मेरे दिल में भी है तुम लोगों के लिए फुल कंपैशन. सो कीप गोइंग अहेड विद अ स्माइल एंड मे यू ऑल शाइन इन द फील्ड ऑफ डिजाइन. That's all. कॉरिडोर से जब आ रहा था शोर और खराब थी क्लास की व्यथा, तब बिंदु मैम ने आकर पूछा इस शोर का कारण कौन था। मैं थी, तुम थी, कौन था? और तभी आए मेरे क्लास में परंपरा, प्रतिष्ठा और अनुशासन के अनुरक्षक मंशा, अरजान और भक्ति, who will be playing the lead roles in the upcoming movie अनुशासन अनिवार्य है। And on that note, I would like to say, shimmer and shine just like old wine. With them being around, everything in my class is just fine. Releasing on the occasion of Constitution Day, this film is touted to be a blockbuster. My production house is working on yet another film, Miles and Miles Away, releasing on an anonymous date, starring the dynamic dramatist of my class, Balram and Shiv. Being the directors waiting on the sets or the teachers in the classroom, all of them are like, where are Balram and Shiv? और तभी ये दोनों वाइल्ड कार्ड एंट्री लेकर चलते हैं, हमारे बारे में इतना मत सोचना, हम दिल में आते हैं, समझ में नहीं। With their acting and persuasive abilities, they can convince all teachers that their project submission is going to happen soon. Well boys, you have my full trust. और मेरे दिल से एक ही आवाज आती है, मेरे बलराम और शिव आएंगे। On the occasion of International Day of Happiness, my studio is releasing a film titled The Elixir of Life, with the lead roles being played by my outstanding girls, Ashka, Rachita, Somdatta and Niti. Their million-dollar smile, relentless spirit and the happiness twinkling in their eyes is sure to leave everyone mesmerized. This sizzling quartet is coming to the theatres near you with their action-packed comic capers shortly. Block your dates. SpongeBob की दुनिया में वो डूबी हुई है। अब साइकिल की टेक्निक से हमारे इस संसार को बदलने वो बनी है। Please give it up for Khushi Purohit, the rising star in this upcoming film titled The Wonder Girl, releasing this winter. Proudly securing the first rank in NID and the topper of humanity's 12th boards, this designer is making his gear up to make her mark in the world. That's not all. Conquest में मचाया था इसने धमाका, जीत कर ढेरों इनाम। मम्मी पापा और अपने स्कूल की है ये गुरूर। And when it comes to speaking, शशि थरूर से भी ज्यादा है ये मशहूर। And here comes a teaser clip for this movie. Cheers to all the proud parents. Next in line we have Andaz Anokha, releasing on 19th August 2022. Starring Margi, Malika and Minerva. They are well versed in the field of photography, design, makeup, videography and film editing, which makes them a valuable asset both in school and on the movie sets. मेरी इन लड़कियों के पास भगवान का दिया सब कुछ है, टैलेंट है, नजरिया है और एक अलग ही अंदाज है। आखिर 12E की स्टूडेंट जो है। Proud of you girls. लोग कहते हैं कि प्यार में जुनून है, पर मेरा मानना है कि दोस्ती में सुकून है। And proving this statement right are the movers and shakers of my class, Chulbul aka Anjali, Chinu aka Maitri, Determined Dhimani and Demure Kruti, playing the lead role in my upcoming film Yari Hamari, releasing on International Friendship Day. Their presence in the class makes the atmosphere cheerful and vibrant for everyone around. इस यारों की बारात को बरकरार रखना और जिंदगी के इस सफर में चांद सितारों तक पहुंचना, यही है आप लोगों के लिए मेरी शुभकामना। शाइन ऑन गर्ल्स। मेहरबान कदरदान साहिबान, अपना दिल थाम के बैठिए क्योंकि अब तहलका मचाने आ रही है हमारी अगली फिल्म की किरदार, द वन एंड ओनली who will be playing the lead role in this year's most awaited film, Hukum Ka Ekka, to be released on 1st March 2022. चीते की छाल, बाज की नजर और ख्वाहिश की योग्यता पर कभी संदेह नहीं करते। मुश्किल कामों को आसान बनाने की है इसके पास डिग्री। इसने हर स्कूल इवेंट को बनाया है सक्सेसफुल। डोंट यू एग्री? सिर्फ इतना ही नहीं, हिस्ट्री की है ये दीवानी और कोई उसे पंगा ले तो याद आ जानी है उसे अपनी नानी। ख्वाहिश my dear, may you always be blessed and keep on setting an example for others. So audience, be prepared to enter into a new world with these action-packed films releasing in theaters near you shortly. Dear students, standing on the threshold of a new journey today, a new stage is already set for you. Play your role in this stage of life with such passion and enthusiasm that even after the curtains come down, the applause doesn't stop. Be the director of your own life and make it the best movie ever. So 12B, let's rock the stage and meet everyone else on our movie. All the very best.
I would now like to invite the head girl, Khushi Purohit, to share her experiences on this very emotional day.
Sarmisha ma'am, रुलाओगे क्या? Remind me to never send uncensored videos to best friends again. So, greetings ladies and gentlemen, teachers and the outgoing batch of 2020-21. It gives me immense pleasure to stand here on behalf of my friends as valedictorian. I'd like to start by thanking this celebrated institution, Tejal ma'am, the management, teachers of Navrachna School Summer. Thank you. I thank Suprabha ma'am for giving us a chance to prove ourselves. Kashmira ma'am for always inspiring us to try something new. Bindu ma'am for accepting us as your children, flaws and all. Deepak sir for instilling creativity in each one of us. Kiran ma'am for being a mother to us. Kamna ma'am, ये जिंदगी का रंगमंच है और आप निर्देशक. And to all our teachers and all our mentors for always having faith in us, for educating us and for understanding us. You've made us who we are, and we will forever be indebted to you. And we only hope that our successes can make you proud. Our experiences here at Navrachna have taught us many crucial lessons, two of which I'd like to call out today. First, talent might win games, but teamwork, it wins championships. To the teams of Rise, Head, CMS, Comfest, Sangam Fest, Sports, and my beloved council. We have done so much and we've done it together. So Khwaish, Vandita, Anupsa, Viraj, Tanay, Aryan, Tana, Nidhi, Dhruv, Veer, Himanshu, Vedant, Kavya, Devansh, and to all the others, all 220 Navratna. Kudos, team. Second, dream big and dream bold. Someone once told me that one need not tread far in search of inspiration. It is usually right in front of them. Shalja ma'am and Shivan Kakkar, thank you for being my inspiration. Well, this is to Kapuro, to Raidaru, and to Demaru, and to the dream to make it happen. This last year truly felt like a concentrated dose of life itself. From building some of the best relationships over Discord calls and background applications, down to the biggest moments of grief over losses. Babe sir, Raksha ma'am, and two loving fathers, Chaitanyas and Suhans. They will be missed, for they were wonderful people. Today, we stand here with graduation certificates almost in hand, wiser and stronger with memories that make our lives richer. Thank you, Navratna, for making us students that foster the spirit of excellence, ones that are patriots of this nation and citizens of the world. Thank you for showing us what it takes. To close, I recall the words of my very dear friend, Chaitanya Prashi. काश फिर मिलने की एक वजह मिल जाए, साथ जितना भी बिताया वो पल मिल जाए। चलो अपनी अपनी आंखें बंद कर लें, क्या पता ख्वाबों में गुजरा हुआ कल मिल जाए।
Thank you, Khushi. Such an amalgam of feelings, emotions, and sentiments. Definitely stirs every heart that has been a part of an institution that has Navratna. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are honored to have you here at the Grand Award Ceremony presented by Ms. Palak Vanjani, the class teacher of 12th.
A very good morning, one and all present here. In this era, being online is a global means of communication in our everyday lives. We generally get inspired by online personalities via Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. I was wondering about all these influencers on the internet and just thought about my 12 students. They too are great influencers. The unique quality of each of my students is enough to follow them. So it's time to celebrate their uniqueness. Ladies and gentlemen, I, Ms. Palak Vanjani, the class teacher of 12, present the most awaited event, the Influencers of the Year 2021. Before we start the ceremony, one important message. Keep liking and following your influencers. Subscribe and give your comments too. Now let's begin the ceremony. Here we have Astha, Heer, Sanya and Damita to influence us. इनकी यारी दोस्ती जितनी पक्की है, उतने ही पक्के इनके इरादे हैं। इनकी नैया पक्का लगेगी पार, ये है हमारे यार कलाकार। Aesthetics and bibliophile Astha's witticisms and wordplay is enough to write a bestseller edition. Creative and diligent, his artistic talent will definitely take her to great heights. Prolific dancer Sanya is marked by a blissful innocence, whereas Damita has the art of melting anyone's heart with her innocent and influential smile. Ladies and gentlemen, please turn your attention to the screen to have a look at the morning prayer of my class on a usual day with Damita. we have girls with style statements. Kea, Zale, Priyanka, Saima and Shruti. अनोखे अंदाज और अनोखी है अदा, चिड़ियों की तरह चहकती रहती ये सदा। एटीट्यूड और स्टाइल के साथ देखे ये सपना, आ रही है लेकर अंदाज अपना अपना। Affable Kea and shy but sweet Zale have a unique sense of personal style and carry themselves with grace. Calm and composed Priyanka and kind-hearted Saima work with single-minded determination and progress steadily towards their goals. Multi-talented and charming Shruti is a powerful, strong lady dreaming of making this world a better place to live in. She is the proud winner of beauty pageant Miss Pune Elite 2020. This charismatic girls are setting their own standards and I know the world is ready to follow. One and all present here, keep following her influences as well. अब जो आ रही है उनसे पंगा ना लेना। Presenting Mari Dhakad girls, Vanshika, Mahati and Shubhangi. ये चारों खाने चित कर देगी और पुर्जे फिट कर देगी। मैं भी छाती ठोक के बोलूँ कि मारी छोरिया छोरों से कम ना है। This highly motivated, fiercely competitive, national karate champion for consecutive 2 years, Vanshika might look delicate, but she is a champ with enormous inner strength. Energetic and proactive Mahati is quite resourceful and can handle challenges very efficiently. She also has showcased her sportsman spirit by winning basketball, football and volleyball events. Very spirited and amiable badminton champ Shubhangi believes in abiding by her own principles. I am very confident that these fighters are going to achieve their dreams, just like Salkho Mirabai did in Olympics. Let's move ahead with Riddhi, Muskan and Vidhi. सबसे मिलते जुलते रहना, डे हो या नाइट, बातें तो मीठी होती है, मीठी है इनकी फाइट। लोगों से घिरे रहती है सदा, ये है हमारी सोशलाइट। Tough, determined and poised Riddhi does not fuss about what people think. She is proud of being honest, genuine and courageous. Confident, smart and extrovert Vidhi, polite, polished and very affectionate Muskan spread positive energy. Their lively and spirited persona is enough for other students to come in and sit in my class. Sometimes I get confused whether I have entered in the right classroom. But you people don't get confused. Do like, subscribe and comment for our next category of influencers. Kanhai, Lavanya and Chaitanya. सदा करते हैं ये सबका सम्मान, इनमें बसती है सारे टीचर्स की जान, इनकी वजह से हम भी चलते हैं सीना तान, ये है 12th F की आन, बान और शान। My erudite Kanhai is an avid reader and shows ardent interest on matters of current affairs. He has served as head community outreach and participated in many runs and has won accolades too. Very exuberant, affectionate and high-spirited Lavanya is a graceful dancer and a prolific runner at heart. Be it loud dance, loud fest, street play or sports event, you can find this all-rounder everywhere. Chaitanya. He is a rare combination of intelligence, fortitude and creativity. An absolute team worker with a spotless heart. Head Event Management Chaitanya is mastermind behind the Handloom project of IIT and also the topper of International Commerce Olympiad. तुषार सर के प्यारे ये महाप्रभु जी के लिए IT Startup is like second home. Dear children, you are dreamers. Dreams are awaiting you. Reach out and sign up for your dreams. Now we will have with us Saivana, Asha, Alia, Drishti, Shubh and Khushi. इनका मानना है खुद से जीतने की जिद है मुझमें, खुद ही को हराना है। मैं भीड़ नहीं हूँ दुनिया की, मेरे अंदर एक ज़माना है। बुलंद इनकी आवाज़ है, ये जिंदा दिल जाबाज है। Cheerful, affectionate Saidana and distant sober Asha. By looking at them, you will wonder if the friendship is just 2 years old. Both are good writers. One writes computer programs, while the other writes poetry. Both the Vitigas believe in living their lives to the fullest. Steady, silent Arya and sincere, respectful Drishti are very polite and dignified, very organized and meticulous, always ready to try something new, something creative. Sure. આ નટખટ મસ્તીખોર પાસે કયા સવાલનો જવાબ નથી. His friends brighten up the dull moments of the class. As a photography enthusiast, one normally finds him with a camera at every event of the school. Dedicated and a great team player, Khushi doesn't need any reason to show her Khushi. She is always Khush. She has love for traveling and also interested in web development and ethical eating. इनकी जिंदगी का एक ही है उसूल, रोज कुछ अच्छा याद रखते हैं और भुला जाते हैं भूल। हैशटैग मुझे भी कुछ याद आया। Before I wind up, let me thank my dear students. You people have left a great impression on our lives. Staying cool and calm in stressful situations, always remaining active, building rapport with friends, and many more things. Now it is time for you to influence the world. May your mighty wings blow the wings of positivity and inspiration all over the globe. मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, बस इतना याद रखो, आंखों में पानी रखो, होठों पे चिंगारी रखो। आगे बढ़ना है तो हौसला दिल में भारी रखो। राह के पत्थर से बढ़कर कुछ नहीं है मंजिलें, रास्ते आवाज देते हैं, तुम सफर जारी रखो। All the very best children.